Going to sit in the park for the first time since making this new bag and do a little sitting and a little people watching right here in the beautiful Guimarães. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Let's see here. Put it on the side. Oh, yes. What a handsome fella. Handsome fella. You know? Just ready for action. Man, what a beauty. The more I use it, the more I like it. My little friend here, all my little stuff. I'm a little disgraced by this water bottle, but my regular Hydropack stove has a tiny little hole in it because I dropped it while running the other day. So I'm in the market for something different. Anyway, full office setup, foldable keyboard. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, point and shoot camera, power banks, cables, you know, everything. All my EDC is in here. Little towel, scissors, knife, flashlights, anything I would need, I've got it right here. All right, I'm excited. I love sitting out here and just chilling and people watching. It's a really nice spot. Olá, olá, bom dia, bom dia, bom dia. Yeah. All right, that's where we're gonna leave it. What a beautiful day in the neighborhood. This town is just 15 minutes from our house, and this is what they say is here is born Portugal. So they kind of say this is where Portugal was born as a nation. So there's a big there's all kinds of stuff here. Very, very cool little village. Tons of cobblestone streets, little tiny streets with little cafes. There's a huge castle and a fort and all kinds of beautiful churches. It's really, really pretty place. Great place to just be, walk around, have nothing to do, just enjoy. All right. And for me, it's a great place to be with my little friend here. Elsa is in the gym working out. I do my workouts at home. I don't like going to the gym. I like being outside. Oh, okay. Take a shot.